Take 4. I got my gas, about 3 gallons. Definitely not on empty, even though when it was empty, it said 1/4, and with 3 gallons, it says 1/4. So let's hope. I got some starting food in it too, by the way. There's a starting food. I just wasted that opportunity, but now I just gotta pump in shit. Sorry I completely missed it, but that starting food actually helped a lot because it kept trying to start on the starting fluid, and that helped get the RPMs up enough to where it sucked up fuel quicker. So yeah, who wants to bet I can't get it out of this spot though? When there was snow, did a couple tiny burnouts and got stuck in here. Now the snow's gone, let's find out if I can move. Doubt it. I'm probably gonna have to pull the Silverado out. E-brake is off. Go into low gear. And just like that, the camera has fallen and we're out of the pit. Oh, well, okay, well. So that's this. Thank you for watching, I guess.